Hi, welcome to Astrology for GAN Traders. My name's Olga Morales. Now I'm just putting together a really quick video on this trading, intraday trading on the euro. Basically this is the chart today that I've been posting on my groups. And what I want to highlight is today basically I announced around this time that price was going up at the time in this zone. And what I want to highlight is this band here. There's 4 lines, okay, which are actually 4 planets, and I'll show you what that looks like. If we have a look, I can click on it any time. Let's look at these aspects. So basically what I've done here, all the horizontal lines are planets that have been converted, their longitudes being converted to price levels, which is what GAN was doing. And then vertically we have aspects that culminating at the exact time that they're culminating in the day. Okay, so we've got planets giving us both timing and price levels. Now what is interesting is these resistance bands when there's a lot of lines coming together. Basically there's a clustering of planets, and I'll show you what that looks like at any one of these points. We can have a look. If I just click on there and we'll see the nodal chart, you can see what's happening. Those 4 planets is that Mars is opposite Neptune and Chiron, a bit wide with Chiron but with Neptune, and the North Node is opposite Venus. So they're the 4 points creating a grand cross in mutable signs, and that's where price is finding it difficult to get through. And also here we have some aspects forming, like the moon will be conjunct Pluto soon, which will be important. So you need to be looking at what aspects are happening in the day. Now we've got a little log on this side that basically tells you what's happening. When I clicked on the chart, the closest aspect was the moon trine Mars, which is quite a positive one. So you can see that the moon was forming a trine to Mars at that point. So if we go back, that's where I clicked here. So that was actually high at that point. So the price did form a high into that area and then pulled back a little bit. Okay, so these aspects are often also good to give you points where price can go. So at the moment price made it up to this line, which is actually the moon and Saturn. And we can see at the moment that it's just pulled back quite quickly into our zone. So it'll be interesting to see if that holds or not. And I'll come back in a few minutes or maybe an hour or so, and we'll see what happens when the moon gets to be conjunct Pluto. Okay. Okay, now I've come back to the point where at the moment we are in that zone when the moon is conjunct Pluto. You can see how price came back into the zone, bounced up and then come down again to it and bounce. So I've actually got a buy signal at the moment after it did its second bounce in that area, which is often, if you trade the euro, you'll see it bounce twice before it makes a move. So I'm in this zone at the moment. I'm hoping that it will reach up here and like a double top again, or even in the blue line. That would be good. So I'll see how it goes and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. Last time I left you, we were here when the aspect between the moon conjunct Pluto, it pulled back a little bit, higher bottom, and it's pretty much taken off. My price take profit zone was here at that level, and I left it at that and went away and watched some TV. I've come back and it's sort of done a bit of a breakout. At the moment it's with the sun, so it's just interesting to see with this breakout if it can keep going up higher. Since there's been quite a bit of resistance between these 2 points, which is actually that's Pluto and Uranus forming a square in there. So I hope you enjoyed that little quick sort of looking at how I trade using my planetary lines and aspects. And there's more of that in my intraday DVD. And I hope you've enjoyed, and thank you for listening.